Switching profiles in AOS Wizard. Here we have an estimate open with 3 AOS cabinets. Notice the prices. Please note that these prices are for presentation only and do not reflect actual AOS cabinet prices. We will start by going into the AOS Wizard and you will see your current profile configurations. Go up to the drop-down menu of available profiles and choose one previously saved to your account. Then click the Load button and confirm your choice. If there are any problems encountered with your chosen profile, this is where you would see alerts displayed. You now see your previously saved configurations from your chosen AOS Wizard profile. Now go back to your product configurator and notice that the prices have all changed to reflect the AOS Wizard profile that you loaded. You can now add or change your cabinet configurations and complete your order.